Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to add tax on Stripe efficiently, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. To begin, open your web browser and type in stripe.com to navigate to their official site. Once there, locate the Sign In button, typically at the top right of the page. Clicking it will take you to the login screen, where you'll need to enter your email and password. Having these credentials handy will save you time and prevent any login issues. After entering your details correctly, click the Sign In button to access the Stripe dashboard, the central hub for all your Stripe activities. Upon reaching the dashboard, direct yourself to the Home section on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll discover various options, but today we are interested in accessing more features. Scroll down the left sidebar until you find the More option, which unlocks additional settings and customization options for your Stripe account. Click on More to view an expanded list of features and locate the Tax option. The tax settings on Stripe allow you to manage sales tax, VAT, or GST, tailored to your country and business needs. By selecting Tax, you enter a detailed setup area to handle how you add and manage taxes for your transactions. Click on View All Steps to access a structured guide on tasks necessary for setting up tax on Stripe. These steps may include understanding local tax requirements or enabling tax collection for your transactions. After reviewing the steps, proceed to complete the tax setup process. This usually involves setting your tax preferences, identifying where you need to collect taxes, and confirming your business information. Stripe provides a user-friendly experience with clear instructions and prompts, making the process straightforward. Once these are set, click Continue to Tax to finalize the initial setup, allowing you to configure any remaining steps as necessary. Ensure thoroughness in this process to comply with tax regulations relevant to your business operations. Follow Stripe's intuitive interface and prompts to align everything with your financial strategies successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add tax on Stripe, enhancing your business's financial management through efficient tax configuration.